Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I have a candle that got affected by tunneling and didn't burn very well. I ended up wasting a few candles, but I'm gonna show you how to recycle them in different ways. Let's get started. Instead of throwing them away, I will recycle them using three different methods. The first one is to pour water on top of the candle. The wax melts, rises to the surface and becomes very easy to remove. After letting it sit, this is how the wax looks. Time to take it out from the jar. The second method is to scoop the wax using a spoon, melt it and remake a new candle using the correct wick size. The third and last one is the double boiler method. I will place the candle jar in a pot with hot water until the wax is fully melted and can be easily transferred. Now that all the wax is melted, I will take a 10 cm diameter jar, use a CD16 wick and start adding the melted wax in layers to create a new candle. I hope you find my video useful and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you!